Alright, you guys, in the Costco, 600 for a 4K UHD LED. And next to me is 900 for LG 86-inch. $350 is 55-inch. I would love to be the starfish right there. And 240, this is a 50-inch. Oh, he's adorable. 150 wireless subwoofer. Woofer. Okay. I know people are coughing. Get away from me. Please. Okay, what do we have? Galaxy Watch. Which one is this? So the green, which is this one right here, is $269. And if you want the cream, it is $240. Which I wouldn't know the difference.
Something about 40 millimeter versus 44.
Oh, okay. I see it now. Okay, February deals. The 2nd February, $14. Your limit is 5 on the Aveeno. And next to me, of course, you get two. $21.99 ends on the 2nd. And the wipes are going to be $15. Again, most of these do end on the 2nd. Oh, you get 1 pack of Hydro Boost. Okay, $15. Moisturizing cream. This is $15. Again, ends on the 2nd. And $15 as well. On Gentle Skin. They do have the lotion for $15. And $15.99 ends on the 2nd. Now Tide ends on the 26th of January, $15.99. Not on discount, but $73. Calvin Klein on the rug. These are $18. Well, these are new. Alright, on the sneaker, they're calling the Hopper sneaker. $27. I'm not too sure where this came from. The clog with the lining. Just kind of found this one here randomly in the shoe department. I mean, we have Pumas. Those are $35. Yeah, they don't have those, huh? They just have these Kenzies here. Share today. Family dinners. Pope Francis. Oh, look. Found that randomly. Oh, the book. $21.99. The seafood cookbook. Seafood. Ooh, these are finally on discount. The almond flour tortillas. They're $8.89. They end on the 26th. They have that organic turkey at $12.99 as on the 27th. Okay, ends on the 26th here, $13.99. And steamed dumplings are $10, ends on the 2nd. And $14.49. These are new panda buns with custard filling. It's kind of funny and cute. It's cute. Yeah, I've never seen this. $14.50 here in the Costco. Mushroom barley soup, $11.99. This is a new one. It is dairy free. And I want to say this one might be new too. The egg bites, they're $11.99. Like Kirkland has their own. And they also have this one, bacon and Gouda, $11.99. And over here is egg white with cheese, roasted red peppers. Banana nut loaf, bananas, butter, vanilla, walnuts, $7.99. Kirkland. Riboflavin. What was that?
Riboflavin?
Yeah, whatever. I mean, if you make your own banana bread, you won't have all this extra, but I mean, I get it. So these are just like the Danish. They're $11.99. They're croissant. Like a little muffin. Yeah, almond croissant. They're $11.99.
As long as they put enough filling in them.
Oh God, you're weird. I mean, they still have this here, but I don't see the almond one. Nope. They changed it into the croissant.
Gross apple
muffin. Apple. Yeah. Okay, $54. Chardonnay Napa Valley. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Let's see. Opens with aroma of a lemon, a zest, kumquat, toasted almonds, hints of whetstone and flint, light fresh cut herbs, enchants with a silky entry and vibrant flavors of grilled citrus, light green melon, and toasted oak until the finish. And up here, I kind of like reading the stories, but this one doesn't tell you what to pair it with. Okay, 100 for this down here. Aromas of black cherry, blueberries, and violet, full-bodied yet firm, with finely grained, juicy tannins, with bright acidity that balances out the palate. Okay, don't make me read. My throat is starting to hurt. Let me go to the ones over here. Normally the ones that are cheaper tell a whole story. Like it'll tell you, oh, it goes great with like dark chocolate and salmon. One was something like that. I was like, ugh. I don't know, but yeah, kind of interesting. So we have a water bottle cleaning and drying set for $18. Get everything in here. Here's what it looks like. Oop. Alright, you guys, I believe that is going to do it in the Costco $59.99. Nothing new in beauty or hygiene department. Not really any new food, just barely here and there. I mean, they got the Ninja Foodie still. So many Ninja products. The rice cooker.
I want to see
It's
somebody who has a
$89.99.
kitchen big enough to hold all of the Ninja products.
No, they're all stored in somebody's cabinet. But yeah, $29.99, and on the 9th year limit is 5. Yeah, Ninja has like 2 different types of Ninja Creamery, the swirl one and your regular one with like the little pint and stuff. Oh, I know. Alright, you guys, please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one.